This is the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283fdw printer. We're going to unbox this printer and have it connected to a 5 GHz wireless network. After opening up the box and removing the cables, the CD as well as the learning products, lay the box on its side and using the plastic bag, pull out the printer from the box. Remove the printer from this packaging. Let's go through the contents of the box. So we have got a phone cable over here. We've got a USB cable. We've got 3 types of power cords. One for UK, one for US, as well as for Europe. We've got a CD, and that is how we remove the printer from the box, by laying it on its side and pulling it out using the plastic bag. We've got some product information that you need to fill up, and this is the warranty information. Finally, we have got the printer setup guide or the reference guide. Let's remove the tapes from the printer. Next, following the instructions on the setup guide, we're supposed to load paper into the input tray. Open the input tray as shown, and taking a stack of plain paper, you can load it into the input tray. Make sure you use the width adjusters and push back the input tray. The next step of the setup is to power on the printer. Plug the power cord into the printer at the back as shown. The power socket of the printer is right over here. Plug the power cord in. After plugging in the power cord into the printer, plug the other end into the wall socket and turn on the power at the wall socket. To power on the printer, press on the power button on the printer. The printer will power up, and on the control panel you will see a language selection screen. Let's select English. Our location is in Singapore. Now there's a question on default settings. Is it self-managed, IT managed, or we can print the information sheet? So this is for home use, so we'll select self-managed. It is now initializing. Once the initialization is completed, you'll go to the home screen on the control panel, and this is how it looks like. Next, we will show you how to connect this printer to the 5 GHz wireless network. Let's tap on the wireless icon at the top right hand corner. We'll select the network for Wi-Fi, which is currently off. Let's go to the settings. We'll select the wireless setup wizard. It has found our 5 GHz network, which is technology tips 5 GHz. Let's select that. We'll need to key in the passphrase or the wireless password. The connection is established, and you can see over here that it is on channel 38, which is a 5 GHz network. So this is how you unbox and set up the printer and have it connected to a 5 GHz wireless network for the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283fdw printer.